Welcome guys, today is our second video. In this video we will change the background of an image and put another background in that image. First we will open our Photoshop. Now I have a picture here. It hasn't any background and I will put this picture, this background. So drag these two photos to the Photoshop. Both are dragged. Now come to this image and make a layer. Make a copy of the background. We make it. Now come to your original picture and come to the eraser tool and select the magic eraser tool and press it. All of the background will be gone. Press it here also and here also. All of the background has been gone. Now drag this picture to this image. It has been dragged. Press Ctrl+3 and drag it. And make it large. Now come to here and put this layer up here. As you can see, we change its background. Look. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.